Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Dyson SV14 motor warranty and maintenance. In this video, we will walk you through essential steps to ensure your vacuum operates at peak performance and remains under warranty. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a brush for cleaning, and a microfiber cloth for dusting. These tools are crucial for accessing the motor compartment and performing thorough maintenance. First, unplug your Dyson SV14. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is disconnected from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover. You will now have access to the motor. Inspect the area for any dust or debris buildup. This is a common issue that can affect the performance of your vacuum. Using your brush, carefully clean around the motor and any exposed components. If you notice any significant dirt accumulation, use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any lingering dust. Now, let's talk about the warranty. The Dyson SV14 comes with a standard warranty that covers the motor for a specific period. It's important to keep your purchase receipt and follow the maintenance guidelines to ensure your warranty remains valid. If you run into issues that you cannot resolve, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can identify the problem without any commitment from your side. After cleaning, check all connections to ensure they are secure. If you find any loose wires or connections, gently reattach them. This step is crucial as loose connections can lead to motor failure. Now, before you replace the back cover, take a moment to inspect the battery as well. A well-maintained battery is essential for optimal performance. Once you are satisfied with the maintenance, carefully reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened properly without over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your vacuum, making it more convenient for you. Now that everything is back in place, plug your Dyson SV14 back in and do a quick test run to ensure it's functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises, which could indicate further issues. If you hear anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We can provide a quote before repair to help you make informed decisions without any surprise costs. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson SV14 motor is essential for longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can keep your vacuum in excellent condition and ensure your warranty remains intact. Always remember to consult with professionals if you encounter issues beyond your expertise. Thank you for watching, and let's keep your home clean together. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.